In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check your Klarna balance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Your Klarna balance, also known as the purchase power, dictates how much you will be able to spend and use the services available in Klarna. So, to use the Buy Now Pay Later services, you will need to check how much balance or purchase power you have available and pay for products according to that. To check your purchase power, go over to the latest version of the Klarna mobile app and using the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen, choose the U option. So tap U at the bottom right. Now, if you cannot see your purchase power, like in this example here, it means that your account simply is not eligible to use Klarna. Usually, this is because you haven't finished verifying your details, registering a card or a bank account, and they simply won't give you purchase power. However, after you are done with the initial setup process, you will be able to check your purchase power at the top of the screen. So right underneath your name and profile picture, the purchase power is going to be displayed, as I've highlighted here in this example. You can tap the purchase power at any time, and you will see more details as to why you were assigned this amount and how it works. But to summarize, it is an automatic process according to how much Klarna trusts you. So if you use this service for a long time, you are never late on payments, they will periodically increase your purchase power. There is no manual way to do this, and you should not message support asking to have your purchase power increased. Now, sometimes your purchase power is also going to be unavailable in this example here. You can tap the option to find out why it is unavailable, and usually it comes down to credit history, if you were late on payments or if they simply don't trust you. And the recommendation that they have is to reach out to the credit bureau to review and correct your credit report if needed. And as long as you do this according to the instructions, you will be able to check your payments or your balance, just like in the previous example that I showed you. I hope I was able to help you on how to check Klarna balance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.